Hi guys, in SolidWorks, if you are still saving your drawing files into PDF by going to File, Save As, and selecting PDF and Save, so this will include too much steps. So stop doing this. In this video, I will show you how to create a simple macro in SolidWorks to automatically save your drawing and a PDF in the same folder with the revision added to the file name with just one click. Here what we are going to achieve when I run the macro SolidWorks save the drawing and create a PDF with the same name and revision. Before creating the macro, make sure your drawing has a custom property called revision. This macro needs the revision directly from the drawing. Now let's create the macro. Go to Tools, Macro and click New and save drawing as PDF and save it. But actually I have already saved and created this macro, so I'm just going to open that one for now. But you can create your macro with going to the new macro, edit macro, and I will open this, which is I already made in SolidWorks. So this is the whole code which is required to save drawings as PDF in just one click with the revision number. In this macro, first macro checks if the drawing is open. Next, it saves the drawing silently, and then it gets the revision number, custom property from the drawing. Then create a PDF name with revision and number separated with underscore, and finally export PDF into same folder. Now let's start testing our macro. So delete this PDF file, go to SolidWorks, open and run macro and select this macro and open it, and it will say drawing and PDF save successfully, and you can check in your folder that it is saved as with the same name and the revision number. So to get this macro code, I use this prompt in ChatGPT to get the code and just save as a macro file and create a new macro file and pasted the code into macro file. So this will gives you the whole code to copy and paste in your macro. So now we will add this macro into our custom button using going to customize and go to commands, and here you search for macro and new macro button. Select and drag it into the toolbar, and in the macro section select your macro you just created and open it, and tooltip will save drawing as PDF and click it OK and click on this, close this dialog, and now you can say you got the button for your custom macro. Just click it and it will save your PDF with the revision number in the same folder and also save your drawing. So guys, we saved a lot of multiple steps with just one click and got the results, and we used ChatGPT to get the macro code. So in just few simple steps you can save your lot of time and reduce multiple clicks and save your time with automation. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe our channel Next Axis Automation. I will be posting more automation and macro related tutorials in this channel. Thank you.